I just started my Dodge Journey 2009. It had a dead battery, wouldn't start. I charged the battery, still wouldn't start. The gear shifter wouldn't allow me to change gears. So there's a little lever in this little hole where you can press, and it overrides the safety switch and lets you to change gears. So I changed it from parking to neutral and then back, and it started right up.